This golf club gripping tool will keep your golf club stable when you go to re-grip it. So you pull the rubber grips off the top, you need the golf club to stay where it is so you can get that off. This helps you do that. It's a simple concept. There's jaws here, rubber on the jaws, and it will hold your golf club in place. This mounts to the table. You can use the provided hardware. It has these 3 threaded screws, the small ones. Those could go up through here. You can connect it this way. It could mount to your desk in this orientation. Or you can use the long screws, drive them through those 4 holes, mount this to the desktop, and then this cutout here will fall into it like that. So it could be on your desk in this orientation, or it could hang off of your desk this way. So the golf club can be positioned off the table itself. Here's the engineering to really clamp down with a lot of force, but it can do so very easily. I'm in my shop and I'm tightening up the 2 screws, joining those 2 pieces together. Clamp it to the side of the table, and then it is on there good. This is too loose, not to worry, just give that a little adjustment. Now it's too tight, just right. Here's a closer look at the jaws coming down. And then you can perform your maintenance. Very solid. And when you're done, give it a test. It works great.